Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Today I am here with a new video in which I am going to tell you how you can add dual app or a clone app like Instagram or Facebook in your Vivo V23 and V23 5G. So if you want to add a double app, like you want to add a new Instagram or Facebook on your mobile or a clone Instagram, just follow the step as I am showing. And if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. And let's watch the video together.